Greens family, we're live on Revolutionary Camp. This is Bomani Temba. We're here on another great journey of a lifetime. And we're here today at Afakiko on this October 2013. And look who we have in the background.
Hey, good morning.
We have Sister Sass. You look all safe with your vest. How you feeling?
I'm feeling like I'm ready for a new experience.
And what is that experience you're getting into?
Well, I'm getting ready to take a boat ride on the Volta River here in the eastern region of Ghana. And it'll be my first, even though I've been here a few times. I haven't.
Wow, how you managed to skip all the wonderful boat rides we've had over the years?
You know, just timing. Could be, doing an interview or something,
All right, well, we'll make sure she don't miss this one. And look who else we have in the background. Del Walker.
Let's I'm getting ready to do a song now, everybody.
You gonna do a song?
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Seth?
Yeah.
The weather started getting tough. The tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost.
There's always one in every group.
On a more serious note.
And now we got Captain here.
On a more serious note, this place is a heaven on earth.
Wow, heaven.
Can I tell you, thank you for the trip of a lifetime. I would have never thought that paradise would be right here in Ghana. I thank you, baby.
Oh, you're welcome. And
Thank you.
We're not even halfway through our journey. Many more good nights to come. And who we have here? We have Crystal here. She's all safe. Can you swim?
I'm one of the swimmers.
Oh, cool. So if a non-swimmer falls off the boat, do you have the capability to rescue that person and bring them back
I do.
to shore?
I do. But only one at a time.
One at a time. So you're not gonna have somebody in your back and have somebody this way?
Well, no.
I got your back.
You like that? That's not how you say it.
Oh,
You swim.
Well, excellent. Yeah,
come and take us.
So then we'll both be saving people in the time of trouble.
in case of emergency. Perfect. And we have another wonderful member here. Catherine. She's gonna come join. In a few minutes once she finishes with her photo. But yes, family, it is a beautiful day out here. This is extremely paradise. I mean, the water, the mountains, and once we get out there in our boat, you're gonna really feel the breeze. Come here. And we have another wonderful member here.
Oh, thank you. I'm enjoying it.
How's your journey of a lifetime going so far?
Oh, it is fantastic. Awesome. This is like heaven on earth,
Is this
peaceful, beautiful, good everything. The food, the people, the views. It's just a
And let's
magnificent,
back up a little bit so everybody can see
magnificent
it better.
environment to be in. It's just fabulous. I can't find words to say how much I'm enjoying it.
Now this boat ride is coming up. Are you anticipating this is going to be one of your best experiences of the tour?
I don't know. It might be. It'll be up there with it. But just the experience of being here with these wonderful people, that's the best.
Oh,
But
excellent.
being out on the Volta, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
The Volta?
Lake Volta.
Lake Volta. It is awesome to be in Africa. On the River Volta.
Yes, it's an excellent boat ride. So what if you fall out the boat? Can you swim?
I can swim, and I'm not afraid of the water.
Excellent.
So,
So she's ready.
so
Family, we're having the time of our life here on Lake Volta, and we're gonna get out there in the boat in a few minutes, and we're just gonna cruise up to the dam, cruise down the lake, and just enjoy paradise and peace, and just kind of mellow out.
yes.
All right?
This is a great start to another great day, you know?
Another great start.
Yes.
All right, family. Once again, we're live on Revolutionary Camp. This is your brother Bomani signing off, and we'll see you next time. Take care.